I just got my copy from Edd Moore of 100 Ideas for a Greener School. I must tell you, Jane Goodall wrote the foreword to this book, and she has a video testimonial. We have it at our Earth Gratitude and also at my Nathalie Pace Instagram, so you can watch that. But the reason that she endorses Edd's book is that he is probably the most successful eco coordinator and certainly primary school teacher to implement and really transform probably the greenest school I have ever visited. That's Damer's First School in Poundbury, England. Now, he started with a student garden. They have chickens, they compost, the kids cook their own meals. Not every one of them, obviously, but they do learn how to cook using the produce they grow in the garden. They have outdoor learning classrooms powered by solar. They learn all of their STEM curriculum, although certainly there is some to be learned sitting in a chair, but they learn most of it outside in their own nature area that they raised funds to create with their own composting. And again, tell me what's more green than that school, except also they even have over 50% of the students walking or riding their bike to school. And that was as a result of them getting together and helping to create shared safe roads for the kids to do so. In addition to that, the kids didn't stop there. Some of these kids actually ended up speaking at Parliament. Edd Moore is one of 500 of King Charles III's coronation champions. And they even went into their community and convinced some of the businesses to stop covering all their food with plastic. So 100 Ideas for a Greener School by Edd Moore is something that I highly recommend. Not just me, Dr. Jane Goodall, who wrote the foreword, and, lots of people who are just in awe of his tireless energy, his extraordinary leadership, his ability to create coalitions with parents, teachers, volunteers in the community, business leaders. He is truly one of one. And again, the book is called 100 Ideas for a Greener School with a foreword by Dr. Jane Goodall by Edd Moore.